early start to the day. It's 5 a.m. and had to get to the shop early today. Got to get some sewing in, got to do some social media stuff, and just wanted to attack the day. I like to get started early just to just conquer the day. So yeah, busy week. Our plan today is to get out 300 shirt stay sets and then prep the next batch for the rest of the week. So come with us. Another day at the warehouse. Got some shirt stays out, and we keep on moving.